finally got my scarecrow stand made. My husband helped me with the base. Well, he helped me with it all, but so we just kind of came up with this. It's really heavy duty at the bottom here. Well, it's not exactly flush on the bottom, but that's okay. My crow mask came in. This thing is hideous, but perfect for this. I don't know who would wear this. It's just absolutely scary. So this was on Amazon. I think it was $10. So this is a marketing, tool that I'm trying to use, and it's good for the community. It raises money for the schools, so I'm investing a little bit. This is the black shower curtain that I got for around $10 as well on Amazon. I'm gonna do a swipe on it, and I'm hoping that it turns out. So it will be lots of paint wasted and lots of money and time and material, so fingers crossed. I've got all my paint set up. I've got quite a few still not set up, but I'm gonna run it in stripes, and then I'm gonna do a swipe. I'm gonna pull it with a paper towel. So wish me luck. So here it is. Let me turn to the camera. I didn't do the very ends, mostly this side. I was kind of running out of paint, and most of that's going to be in the back. So yeah, I got the front nice and pulled and poured, so it looks pretty cool. I'm excited to see it dry. I hope it dries as vividly as this, so we'll see. Here is the finished design on the curtain. It's the fire, and it's also done in the fluid technique. So the bust came in, and here is the mask on the head. Mills, you want to take that off for me? Never mind. She's got Cheetos. She got Cheeto fingers. So I'm here spray painting the pool that I cut and the wings. And not quite, so this will be painted inside, hand painted. I gotta do the other side. Here are the wings just about finished. There's some more hand painting that I did. Not only did I want the scarecrow to be really light, I wanted it to be waterproof as much as possible too. So it is stuffed with packing peanuts and wrapped with lots of duct tape. I used lots of duct tape and a trash bag. The shower curtain is just roped through the loops and wrapped around his neck and tied really tight. I used lots of A6000 glue. The eyes on the mask were painted as well. And then I started the long process of the feather attachment to his head and around his neck. A lot of that's glued down with A6000 glue and a type of styrofoam glue. And here I am hand painting more feathers for a more realistic look. And you can also see how tall he is here. This is when I realized a selfie was not a good idea, but here you can see a little detail of the feathers. And here he is out in the community on display for a couple of weeks. I hope you enjoyed my scarecrow on fire. That's what I'm calling him. So if you liked, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like. Thanks for watching. Hugs.